what else I got for my sister. This Hamilton Beach Sure Crisp air fryer toaster oven with air fry convection, all this stuff, all that stuff, which is what we're making tonight. We're recreating those seafood fries that we had down the shore. See how crispy those are? Cute. Cute. Keep laughing until you see how much you have to clean in this oven now. Now let's use the rotisserie feature of it. I'm making a pork roast. My sister marinated this for a couple hours, and it was really expensive. It was like $30 for this piece, but it was worth it. Everybody ate, even my sister who doesn't like pork. She had a couple steaks out of this. My sister also made some rice and beans with this, but I was so hungry that I just put rice on my plate. I forgot the beans, so I had to have another helping of the rice and beans after that. But man, I'm really happy with this thing. I might get one for my next place. And that's only about half the stuff that we made in that oven. I kept forgetting to record, but I like it. It's nice. I might get one of those for my house when I get one, which is where I'm at now. I'm in West Virginia. I'm going to be hanging out with Epic Blue Rat and Kmart Radio for a little bit, looking for land or a house or maybe a Class C RV. Haven't really settled on anything yet, but that's what I'm going to be doing when I'm out here. That's going to be in the next video. All right, see you then.